In this tutorial, I'd like to talk about the F-sharp minor arpeggio, and we're going to do this 2 octaves separately: similar motion, legato, and mezzo forte. And we should notice that we have 3 accidentals: F-sharp, C-sharp, and G-sharp, but we are only going to play the F-sharp and the C-sharp. The triad that the arpeggio is built on is F-sharp, A, and C-sharp. So we have F-sharp, A, C-sharp, F-sharp for the arpeggio. And the easiest fingers to use here, if we start with the right hand first, will be to start with our second finger, 2, 1 on A, 2 on C-sharp, 4 on F-sharp, 1 on A again, 2 on C-sharp, 4 on F-sharp, coming down the same way. 4 over to F-sharp, ending again on the second finger there. For the left hand, we're going to start with our second finger on F. We're going to start with our second finger on F sharp. 4 goes over to C sharp, F sharp, A. Then we're going to have our forefinger again on C sharp, ending on our second finger, coming down the same way, thumb on A, F sharp second finger. Luckily, we do not have to play these hands together yet, as this is a grade 3 scale, but it is important to take note to play exactly the same notes, the triad that the arpeggio is built on. In this case, again, F sharp, A, C sharp.